Guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte motherboard driver. So first you have to come this website www.gigabyte.com. Then you can see in the right hand side this is search button, just click on it, and after that enter your model number Z690UD then hit enter. Then click of name of title. After that it will open new tab and then click to support. So select any operating system because installations process same. You can see this video and install or drive on any operating system. Okay. Chipset. So first install this one and click to download. It will start downloading. It is completed. Just open it. Then click to yes and then double click to exe. Then click on yes. Now this is installing. Then scroll down and you can see Intel INF installations and click to download. Then it is done. Just single click to open and double click to this is setup. Just run. Then click on yes and then next xdev install. Now this is installing. And it's installed and close it and then close.